Welcome to the Arc Home Designer channel, where we explore the fascinating world of interior and exterior design, bringing inspiring ideas to transform your home. Even with limited room, you can design a rustic Italian garden that radiates vintage charm while capturing the timeless beauty of nature. With the right choices, your small yard, terrace, or patio can become a soulful retreat that feels like a corner of Tuscany. Now, let's explore the best ways to embrace this magical garden style. Embracing vintage garden elements. Use reclaimed wood benches, wrought iron chairs, or weathered terracotta pots to instantly add a vintage feel. These details tell a story of tradition and make your garden feel timeless. Mix old stone urns with rustic clay planters to create an authentic Italian countryside atmosphere. The contrast of textures adds depth and character to your small space. Add antique lanterns or softly glowing string lights to enhance the romantic charm. These vintage accents turn a simple garden into a cozy sanctuary with soul. Choosing authentic Italian plants. Select fragrant herbs like rosemary, thyme, and basil, which not only provide rich aromas but also embody the essence of Italian gardens. Their scent makes the space come alive. Include Mediterranean favorites such as olive trees or citrus plants in small containers. They bring authenticity while fitting perfectly into limited spaces. Use climbing plants like jasmine or bougainvillea to create a natural backdrop. Their blooms add vibrant colors and an unmistakable Italian touch. Creating a cozy rustic ambience. Design intimate corners with small bistro tables and rustic chairs, perfect for slow mornings or evening wine under the stars. This makes your garden feel like a hidden retreat. Incorporate warm earth tones in cushions, rugs, and textiles. These colors harmonize with nature and create a cozy, welcoming atmosphere. Add natural materials such as stone flooring or brick pathways. Their weathered look reflects authentic Italian charm and enhances the rustic vibe. Incorporating water and natural sounds. Install a small stone fountain or ceramic basin to bring the soothing sound of trickling water. This instantly creates a peaceful and refreshing mood. Consider a DIY clay pot water feature for an authentic rustic detail. Its simplicity adds both movement and timeless elegance to the space. Position your water element near plants or seating areas, blending sound with greenery. This sensory connection deepens the garden's relaxing effect. Enhancing with ground textures and pathways. Lay irregular stone or gravel pathways to create a charming old-world appeal. The uneven textures make the garden feel authentic and natural. Choose soft moss or creeping thyme as ground covers to fill gaps between stones. They add greenery while keeping the design low maintenance. Use white pebbles or terracotta chips around plants to reflect light beautifully. This enhances brightness and complements rustic materials. Thank you for joining us on this journey through small Italian rustic gardens. Hidden vintage charm and timeless natural beauty. Even the smallest spaces can hold endless possibilities when infused with history, natural textures, and the soulful elegance of Italy. Now it's your turn to transform your outdoor corner into a timeless sanctuary filled with warmth and charm. But don't stop here. Discover how to unlock secret design tricks to make your rustic garden unforgettable. Click now and dive into the next video full of creative ideas you can start today.